Hobbies can be a double-edged sword when it comes to your finances. On one hand, they provide joy, fulfillment, and a creative outlet. On the other, they can quickly become money pits if you're not careful. First, let's talk about hobbies that can actually save you money. Cooking is a prime example. By learning to whip up delicious meals at home, you'll slash your restaurant and takeout expenses. Plus, you'll likely eat healthier too. Imagine mastering your favorite pasta dish or perfecting that tricky curry recipe. Not only will you impress your friends and family, but you'll also keep more cash in your pocket. Gardening is another hobby that can pay off big time. Growing your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs means fewer trips to the grocery store. There's something incredibly satisfying about plucking a ripe tomato from your own backyard or seasoning your dishes with fresh basil you've grown yourself. DIY skills are invaluable when it comes to saving money. Whether it's basic home repairs, furniture restoration, or even car maintenance, learning to do things yourself can save you a fortune on professional services. Picture the pride you'll feel when you fix that leaky faucet or give new life to an old dresser with a fresh coat of paint. Fitness-related hobbies like running or bodyweight exercises can replace expensive gym memberships. All you need is a good pair of shoes or a yoga mat, and you're set. Reading is a hobby that can be incredibly cost-effective, especially if you take advantage of your local library. Now let's flip the coin and look at hobbies that can drain your bank account if you're not careful. Photography, while rewarding, can be a costly pursuit. Collecting, whether it's stamps, coins, or vintage toys, can become an expensive obsession. The thrill of finding that rare item can be addictive, leading to impulsive purchases and overspending. Golfing is notorious for being a pricey hobby. Between club memberships, equipment, and green fees, it's easy to spend a small fortune pursuing that perfect swing. Travel, while enriching and eye-opening, can quickly become one of the most expensive hobbies. Flights, accommodations, and activities in new destinations add up fast. Skiing and snowboarding are thrilling winter sports, but they come with a hefty price tag. Lift tickets, equipment rentals, and warm gear can make for an expensive day on the slopes. So, how can you enjoy your hobbies without emptying your wallet? The key is balance and mindful spending. Consider the long-term value of your hobby. Will it teach you useful skills? Could it potentially lead to a side income? Don't be afraid to try new hobbies before fully committing. Many classes or groups offer trial periods or beginner sessions at reduced rates. Remember, the most valuable aspect of a hobby is the joy and fulfillment it brings you. If a hobby is causing more stress than happiness due to its cost, it might be time to reevaluate. Ultimately, hobbies are an essential part of a well-rounded life. They provide stress relief, personal growth, and a sense of accomplishment. So take a moment to reflect on your current hobbies or ones you'd like to try. Are they adding value to your life? Are they aligned with your financial goals?